few months ago, we joined several other industry-leading professionals to hone our craft and learn new skills at the Stoney Ridge Farm in North Carolina.
Alright, I know most of you guys. Welcome to our farm. If you know about the YouTube channel, you know what it is, you know what's going on. Like Luke said, safety first. Safety is the #1 priority here. Getting the fence built is #2 priority. That's basically it. So everybody have fun, be safe, enjoy yourself. On the Stoney Ridge Farm. That's a farm haul tractor. I'm just doing a little bit of driving here, a little side driving. Sometimes I'll go for a ride in the evening time. I'll sit in the passenger seat. I call it the stranger. I'll drive with my left foot. It's like driving with an invisible stranger. It's a good time.
First real-time operating an EVO.
Yeah, and how do you feel about this?
You know what? About 3 posts ago, I was a little bit unsure about it. Getting pretty used to it now. 10, 15 minutes. It's actually pretty simple. This is the easiest way I've ever put posts in, hands down.
Hit. Bam. I was like, yep. You got one, didn't you?
I'm hearing everything.
No, now watch this, watch this. I'm going to mute you. Now you're not going to be able to hear anything. Can you hear anything?
Not much.
It's pretty well muted. Now I'm going to unmute you, but I'll bring you up to about 48 right there.
Hear that
yeah,
bird.
I know. You can hear like crazy. And you can work, I mean, loud as anything. Lawnmowers, post drivers, just listen to your music like there's nothing going on in the world.
I'm getting me a pair of those today.
You need to.
This will be below the 3rd line wire from the top.
Okay.
So we're about 2/3 of the height of the fence.
So is that what you're looking for as far as fit right there?
Yeah, I mean, you could make that fit a little better, but...
Where'd you find a hard hat to fit that head?
Perforated eardrum.
Smack!
He's not slinging chips, he's slinging dust. Seems a little dull to me.
Yeah, it's a lot though.
It's going the right way. We probably won't die.
Don't stop now.
Uh-oh. The anticipation.
What are you running for? Man, what a pro. I am exhausted. I want to lay down.
And I need a blizzard. I have not had enough ice cream at all.
I'm gonna come up here, I'm gonna jump, land over there.
Okay, good luck. You're probably gonna die.
Spider-Man!
Oh, you didn't fail. Dang it.